Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt. We're in the dishwasher department, and I wanted to show you how to take advantage of a cool feature that your dishwasher might have, and that's a basket that can be raised or lowered on the top to accommodate taller items. So stick around. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at LGs, and theirs has a little bit of a twist to it because there's a couple of different layers that you can set it. So LG makes this process really simple. They have these two handholds here, and if your basket's already in the lowest position, all you need to do is lift up, and you'll hear it click into place. Now there's a center section here. You can also lift up once more, and you have a taller section. To lower it, you're going to grip onto those again, push in the two tabs on the sides, and then lower it, and you can lower it all the way. If you need to go back to the middle, simply lift up again, and you're right back to the middle. So as you can see, it's a really simple process, and it's really useful too. If you don't have an LG dishwasher, but you want to see how to do this on your dishwasher, make sure you check out our other videos on this process as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.